The Rack Shop is proud to present this Jeep Wrangler JL 4-door hardtop. We've just installed the Rhino-Rack Pioneer backbone system. This is using the brand new Pioneer 6 platform, which is the quietest and lightest platform that they've ever created. Up to 60% reduction in drag from its predecessor, and weight reduction by up to 20% as well. So this platform measured out at 71 inches long by 56 inches wide. It's connecting to the backbone base plates with the low profile RCL 6 leg. That's a 6-pack with locks included. And that attaches to the backbone base plates, which the whole backbone system is part number RJLB1. So drilling is required, so make sure you take a look at the instruction manuals before tackling this project. There's an optional different leg if you don't want to go with the low profile legs. There's also an RTL 600 setup. It is taller, but it does have quick release toggles, so if you actually want to remove the platform, maybe for cleaning or just have it taller, that could be an option for you as well. We have more details for that on the website also. So Rhino-Rack's also made, again, this is a brand new platform, so they've made other improvements as well. So there's no more channel aperture, so 100% of the platform is usable. So 25% more usable channel. So really great platform overall. But this is just a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this complete system without leaving anything out, visit the link in the description below. That's going to be it for this one. Like always, thanks for watching.